Let's give them a round of applause for those impressive calls. Now it's calls such as these ones that you've been hearing that allows members of their families to keep in touch with each other, whether they're far away or whether they're near. And I hope we can all do something to make a positive change, not only for our everyday lives, but also for the everyday lives of incredible animals, belugas like Keela and Aurora. So it is on behalf of myself, the wonderful trainers Jenna and Indy, and of course the two beautiful beluga whales, Keela and Aurora, I want to say thank you so much for joining us here today, and hoping to show you how research at the Vancouver Aquarium is so important for the conservation of these animals, even in their wet, icy conditions. If you think it's over, think again. I want to wish you all a very wonderful day, and thank you for joining us for the Beluga Show. My name is Vivian. Have a wonderful sunny day at the Vancouver